What's up, fellas? All right, well, continuing on with the underground electric service, we have these giant metal sweeps. That's 4-inch, yep, 4-inch galvanized, spec'd by the utility company and my electrician. That piece right there weighs about 100 pounds. End to end, probably 5 feet. The rise on it is 3 feet. That's why I went 3 feet deep, because I can get some nice clean fill on the bottom, and the pipe can be sticking up about 6 to 8 inches. The pipe can be sticking up about 6 to 8 inches out of the ground, so we can put a fitting on there and then go into the meter with the 2-inch at that point. Good when you're calling me on a holiday weekend. So I finally got into the groove of it and figured out my rhythm and the best way to do things. So I'm gonna switch this to a time lapse because I think you guys get the idea of how to do this. And one note is it's challenging to work with HDPE 4-inch by yourself, but it can be done. So yeah, time lapse it is. So I'm pretty sure you guys can see the bend. It's a very gradual angle there. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lengths, and then the galvanized sweep at the end there. So I'm gonna drop it in the trench and hope for the best. Of course, that happened right at the end. I'm telling you, that sweep is very heavy. This is a 2-man job. I really shouldn't have tried doing this by myself. It's taken triple the amount of time. I'm gonna dig that out, that area right there, to get it lower. Not that it really matters at this point, but it's just a good idea to get it lower. You see how they're all connected? All right, it came undone here, so we have to get it in. So just give me a second. All right, push. All right, hold on. Yep, push hard, hard. Yeah, push real hard. As hard as you can. All right, hold on 1 second. It's in over there. Go ahead. All right. Here. Okay, go. Yep. Beautiful. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. That's good. I think it's in there now.